Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV.
In today's video, we have combined 8 incredible modern farming machines that will change the world of food production.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
Number 1. AF10 Evolution is an incredible harvest machine that was made for assistance in collecting fruits, with the innovative unique system in the world that transports the fruits individually through rubber bowls, avoiding any kind of shocks and scratchings with the fruits. It consists of 6 arms, each one of them forms part of a line of transport with cazoletas. The fruits are transported individually through very flexible rubber bowls, where it is impossible to be hit, a puncture mark by mango, or a touch. Number 2. Floretting Machine. The Floreto is an innovative product from Sweere, which efficiently decors broccoli and cauliflower. It features a continuously running intake belt combined with a motional knife construction capable of higher capacity and more precision while ensuring increased lifespan of the knives. Due to innovative solutions, the machine is capable of seamlessly switching between floretting various vegetables by simply pushing a button. Suitable for a large number of different broccoli and cauliflower varieties and dimensions. Continual running intake belt and motional knife system. The florets and waste material leave the machine separately. A very precise and clean cut to deliver homogeneous florets. Easy to operate. Size depth of cutting can be adjusted. Easy to switch between cauliflower and broccoli. The capacity of 50 to 70 strokes per minute. Reduce labor by 70%. Number 3. Expand R5090. The Expand R5090 receptacle is a towed machine equipped with a system that automatically unrolls a tarpaulin on the ground for faster and easier harvesting. Palanque makes it possible for a team of just 2 people to harvest more than 300 kilograms of fruit in a single pass. And with the simultaneous picking and sorting of the fruit and its cleaning by means of fans, you reduce working time and increase the harvest quality. Faster harvesting. Sorted, cleaned, and directly loaded into pallet boxes. % labor savings compared to other harvesting systems. Number 4. Self-propelled tomato harvester, Super G harvester. Number 5. Eco-Ag Harvester is a diesel-powered, self-contained track hydrostatic harvesting machine, incorporating hydraulic technology to perform multiple operations in all weather and in all field conditions, enhancing the seasonal advantage for multi-season growers. The harvesters are produced in Ventura, California, designed and fabricated in-house by Eco Power Systems. Eco-Ag Harvester delivers cleaner produce with less waste and with faster delivery. Cleaner, healthier celery is guaranteed by food-quality stainless steel contact surfaces and an improved loading system. Boxes and pallets never touch the ground. Hydraulics and conveyor belts eliminate most lifting, which reduces worker injuries and allows more women to join the crew. Number 6. Oxbow Blueberry Harvester. Number 7. Palanque Grape Harvester. Number 8. Sweeper Robot Agriculture.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.